TGIF, happy Friday, my friends. I hope y'all are just as excited as I am that we have finally made it to the weekend. We can have some downtime to relax. But before we do, I am bringing you some Friday work from home job leads. Today we have the company A2 Hosting. They are looking for a billing specialist for their web hosting support to work remotely. Now they are hiring worldwide, but real quickly before we get into it, if you are new here, my name is Lindsay and I'm always searching the internet looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you on a daily basis. So make sure you are subscribed and have those notifications turned on if you never want to miss another upload. But with that being said, A2 Web Hosting's billing specialist will answer tickets, live chats, and phone calls as needed. They'll identify opportunities to engage with the client to deliver great experience. So they are looking for someone to delight the customer with billing assistance for the customer inquiries via phone, chat, and email. You will quote prices for services, upgrades, and downgrades. You'll receive incoming orders to ensure service is delivered promptly. You'll check orders that are being flagged for review for possible activation. You'll process account terminations and refunds when applicable. You'll handle chargeback inquiries and also perform regular audits. So they are looking for someone who has 1 to 2 years related experience and or training, someone who has the ability to read, analyze, and interpret general business periodicals, professional journals, technical procedures, and regulations, someone who has the ability to write reports or business correspondence, someone who can present information and respond to questions from groups of managers, customers, or the general public, someone who can define problems, collect data, and draw conclusions. They are looking for someone that is passionate about giving each customer the best possible experience and someone who takes ownership of problems to find solutions. Now, they do note this is more of a customer service position in the billing field. It is not accounting or finance in billing or coding, which means you do not have to have a degree to get started, so no degree is required. Now, it does say this position is remote. You can live anywhere in the world as long as you have a reliable internet connection. Now, it does note for U.S. applicants, they are licensed to do business in the following states. The link to this will be in the description as always, and you can check out those states that are listed. Now, they do also offer some benefits. Some of these are marked for U.S. members only, such as health insurance, dental, and vision coverage, but some of them are not. Paid time off, holiday, sick time is marked for everyone. The ability to work from home 100% remote is also marked for everyone. So specific benefits are going to rely on your location. And with that being said, the pay is also not listed for this position because, again, that is going to be location and experience dependent. So depending on what country you're in, that will depend on what your pay will be. As always, feel free to leave anything specific in the comments that you are looking for, along with any education and experience that you may have. I always read the comments and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.